Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really easy, simple Valentine's Day makeup look for you guys. I haven't reached for this palette in such a long time. It is hands down one of my favorite palettes. I kind of pushed it off to the side, not because I stopped liking it, but because I hit pan on tons of different shadows. So I kind of just, wanted to give my other palettes a chance, but I wanted to reach for this because I just thought this palette was going to be perfect for the look I wanted to do. It's really nice, simple, easy, and I know tons of us have this palette. So if you want to see how I got this look and what products I used, please keep on watching. And as always, all product details will be listed down below for you guys to make it so much easier. Alright, so for today we are going in with this palette. This is the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I have loved this palette for such a long time, and I haven't reached for it in a really, really long time. Not for any other reason but me hitting pan on multiple shades. So we're going to do something really simple. I'm not really 100% sure what I want to do, but I am going to grab this Vasanti fluffy brush, and I think I'm just going to mix these two shades right here, which is Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange. And I am just going to work this into my crease. I'm going to go in with Golden Ochre, and I meant to apply this into my brow bone area. Okay, going back in with that fluffy brush. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of Love Letter using the same brush, and I just want to keep this on the outer V. And I'm just going to pull this out a bit. Going back with these two shades, same brush. I just want to soften that a little bit. I'm going to take Primavera, and I'm going to just apply this into the inner tear duct and the first half of the eyelid. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe M224. It's the same brush I used to apply the brow bone shadow. I'm going to take a little bit of Venetian red. I'm just going to apply this in between that Primavera and Love Letter. Just keeping this right over here. Going back in with Love Letter, I just want to deepen this outer V just a little bit. And I'm just tapping this color in. This brush, there's no name on it. I just picked it up from the hair show years ago. I think I also want to add a little bit of this red ochre and just apply that right over here. And then taking that same fluffy brush, I'm pulling it out just a little bit. Going back in with these two colors right here, I just want to soften it and kind of clean it up a little bit. And I'm also going to gently add that same color right here. I don't want it to look like it's a cut crease on my eyes, so I want to just soften it a little bit. I'm going to go in with this color and a little bit of this color, which is Real Dirt and Love Letter. Take your Morphe M506 and just work this on the lower lash line. I'm taking more of the pink and less of the orange. because this is going to be the only two shades we put underneath here. And of course, connect to the top part right here. So taking that same brush, the one that has no name, I am just trying to clean off a bit of the product, and I am just going to diffuse these colors just so it has a really nice blend. I want to soften this part here too a little bit. Going in with my Kylie's Queen Drip. I know I use this a lot. I really, really like it. I'm just going to add a little bit into my inner tear ducts. This is going to be the highlighter I put on my face. I'm going to add a little bit of eyeliner. This is NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm going to go in with Morphe's Coconut in the waterline. Alright, while my lashes are drying, going back in with Queen Drip, I'm going to highlight my nose. Just a little bit more. And I'm just going to add a small amount on the cheekbones. I'm going in with Salon Perfect and 614s. And for my blush, I'm going in with Tarte's Exposed. And I'll mix in a little bit of Kylie's Baddie on the Block. Alright, so this is the completed look. On my lips, I went in with two different lip liners, both of them from Morphe, Sugar Pie and Bite Me. And for my lips, I went in with two of MAC's Powderkiss lipsticks, Impulsive and Fall in Love. I only put the smallest amount of Fall in Love just to give a little bit of pink and, yeah, pink. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.